You say your neighbor is very vain and don't deserve a drop of rain, 'cause he spent £1,000 on a cage for half a pound. But in your closet lies a dozen suits you won't give out, but they won't fit you. Don't be funny, you painted yourself in the same stroke as you paint your neighbor. Wake up, smell for coffee. Nothing's changing when you're blaming. If you really need the loving, then you must be out forgiving. But don't you wake up, smell the coffee. Nothing's changing when we're blaming. If we really need an uplift, then we must be up for lifting. Oh, wake up, oh, wake up, wake up, wake up. We cry for justice and peace to reign. Oh, Father, bless our homeland, we pray. But greed and gossip are agents of war. We plant and water in our backyards daily. Hold your tongue, stop the cussing out, and let the light shine from the inside out. Too many people mostly talking down, start to act one good deed by another. Wake up, smell for coffee. Nothing's changing when you're blaming. If you really need the loving, then you must be out forgiving. But don't you wake up, smell the coffee. Nothing's changing when we're blaming. If we really need an uplift, then we must be up for lifting. Ooh, wake up, oh, wake up, wake up, wake up. Smell the coffee. Nothing's changing when we're blaming. If we really need the loving, then we must be out forgiving. Wake